Hello, my name is Björn and I'm from Sweden. I'm going to show you the key factors on how to choose a quality timber trailer and a crane. Let's use this timber trailer from Weimer as a good example. This type of timber trailer and crane are perfect for land and forest owners who have a tractor and need to transport wood from difficult landscapes. I will now show you some very useful tips on what to check first before buying any new log trailer or crane. Key factor number 1. The high-strength steel crane. The crane is probably the most important component of a log trailer. Weimer cranes are made out of specially designed reinforced profiles made out of high-strength DOMEX 650 steel. This gives the crane two advantages. The crane is lighter but is stronger, and the light crane also allows more payload onto the Weimer timber trailers. To avoid unwanted broken cranes, we highly recommend you that you ask your dealer what material the crane is made of. If it's not DOMEX 650, please think twice. It might be a very expensive lesson in a few years. Non-high-strength steel cranes can bend and break, especially with bigger cranes under heavy load pressure. Key factor number 2. High-quality hydraulics. The driving force of a forestry crane is always its hydraulic system. You never want to have cheap hydraulic control valve, cylinders or rotators on your log trailer. Only high-quality components will give you reliable performance and enhanced uptime. Okay, let's talk about cylinders on this trailer. Weimer log trailers are only equipped with robotically tested and certified cylinders. Why is that so important? Well, first of all, budget cylinders are prone to leak, and you don't want that to happen, because your oil and maintenance cost will go up due to leakages, and your uptime will be low. Even worse, hot leaked oil will probably endanger your driver. If you're about to purchase a new log trailer, please ask your seller to provide you with the certification documents for your hydraulics, because the purchase price could be deceptively cheaper, but definitely your maintenance costs in the future will be higher. Key factor number 3. Smart frame design makes maneuvering easy. How many times have you had troubles driving backwards on a narrow forest track or between trees, especially with a fully loaded log pile? If you have been behind the wheel, you know how hard it is to direct the log trailer where you want it to go. To make life easier, Weimer engineers have designed a multi-point, ultra-strong and stable drawbar. You might think it's a minor feature, but in reality it solves a multitude of problems. First of all, it gives bigger stiffness to the drawbar, and secondly, it increases the lifespan of the connection points in a hard-working environment. Thanks to the excellent steering system, the handling of the log trailer feels much better, and it saves times. We have also added a front grid with increased visibility. Finally, a tip to consider. We heavily recommend not to buy a log trailer with a one-point drawbar connection between the tractor and the trailer. Because if you're planning to use it in harsh conditions during a long period of time, don't economize on the frame steering. Key factor number 4. The highest quality of components and finishing materials. A good way to evaluate the product is to look at its components. If they are from world-leading producers, the chances are that the product itself is of very high quality. Looking at this trailer, we can see that he had chosen the best components to guarantee performance even during the most extreme conditions. For example, extra large bronze bushings are used in the crane joints, and the stub axles are from one of the leading producers in the world. The paint on our trailers is a long-lasting high-tech polyurethane paint, which have a very good resist towards harsh mechanical abrasion and high UV radiation. It gives you the ultimate metal protection, and it means that your trailers rust less, and it keeps better its resaleable value. By choosing Weimer premium quality trailer, you will get more value for your money. Key factor number 5. A flexi frame gives you a multipurpose vehicle. You can choose from either a bolted or a welded frame. The welded frame are usually cheaper, but has less adjustable options. A bolted frame, you can change both the location of the crossbeams and the wheelbase. Such a design allows you to transport longer or shorter logs and even energy wood. Most Weimer log trailers are produced with bolted frames. Changing the location of the crossbeams will take you approximately 10 minutes, so you could provide more services. due to the flexibility of the construction of the frame. Here's a money saver for you. It is a fact that bolted frames are more desirable in the aftermarket due to its flexibility, and also it has higher resale value than single beam welded frames. So, when the seller shows you a log trailer, if it is welded, well, it will be cheaper now, but in the long run more expensive. Key factor number 6. Extra features for semi-professional usage. By choosing Weimer premium quality trailer, you will get more value for your money. All Weimer trailers are sold with 4 posts installation as standard feature. Check out other producers' offers. Trailers are usually provided only with 2 or 3 post installations, which is a good trick to show cheap base model price. Brakes are installed as standard feature for better safety. Some additional options you can add to the trailer are, for example, winch, to be able to gather logs from hard to access locations, telescopic frame extension to adjust the length of loading area and to carry different logs, and hydraulic 4-wheel drive, so you could get yourself and your tractor out of every swamp. Here's a tip for you. Take into account that you don't know what your or the new owner's needs are in the future. Key factor number 7. Long-lasting durable product with low maintenance costs. Let's talk about durability. With 60 years of constant engineering and customer feedback, our products are made to last. Weimer log trailers are guaranteed to work uninterrupted and, as real-life practice have shown, have superior resale value. Recently we had a customer who came back and he was asking parts for his log trailer, which was built in the beginning of 1990s. He had accidentally broken the hydraulic valve. As we don't produce this model anymore, we had to custom machine this part to him. And now he's back and using 20-year-old Weimer log trailer. First of all, the build quality. We have minimum recalls or product returns during the warranty period. Secondly, you can change wearable parts individually and very easy. You don't need to change full part. This keeps cost low to maintain.